So we are downtown Telluride right now. The girls just went to go get some food, and I'm not sure where we're gonna eat yet. So me and Lenny Lay were just kind of walking around. There's a bunch of dogs because there's the Bow Wow Film Festival going on, which I'm not really sure what that is. So there's a lot of dogs everywhere. So we're gonna hang out here for a while, and then we're gonna go check out some waterfalls.
That one has a stripe on his nose and on his back, but that one doesn't.
Yeah. Excuse me, is there like a waterfall up there?
Yeah.
How far do you have to go? Walking?
Yeah, it's about an hour and a half up. And it's a gradual. Minimum an hour and a half up. Minimum hour and a half.
We got this guy, so it might take longer than that.
Yeah, you should definitely go because it's beautiful, but maybe go tomorrow if you're here tomorrow.
You can't, there's no way to drive?
No, and a lot of people had young kids like this.
Yeah, they were carrying their kids.
They were carrying their kids on their shoulders.
It's 2.75 miles up?
That's what he just said. I just got.
Oh, you haven't gone
yesterday.
yet?
We
just finished.
Oh, you just finished
We're
it.
just bad
It
with directions.
it took us about 2.5, almost 3 hours to go up and
Yeah,
down.
we started at like 10:30, but we like chilled and had lunch at the waterfall.
Yeah, we sat at the waterfall and
sandwiches.
ate. So
Yeah, but it's beautiful. It's definitely worth doing.
But your kids can put their feet in the water. But you could also walk up part of the way, and where there's the Karens, there's like called the Karen, what's it called, the Karen Village or the Karen Park.
Don't even waste your time doing
Well,
that.
I'm just saying if they can't make it, they'll know by then if they can or can't, because it is all uphill. It's
really?
a gradual, but we didn't. They told us they labeled this an easy one, and I'm a hiker. We're hikers. This is not easy.
It's like moderate.
It
We're
depends
trying to
also-
figure out where to go with the kids.
You see any bears?
No.
No, there's
I have a
no-
bear bell though, just in case.
There's so many people on the trail, but it is getting late. and we just heard thunder. I don't know if you heard it.
It's really pretty.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you
It's
can
really-
go and you
it's
can
pretty
like sit
magnificent.
and
The views are
just so pretty. See, look at the waterfall.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Bye. Oh my gosh.
So if you guys were planning on driving up to the top or up there at all, you cannot. The road is closed to all traffic right now.
Okay.
There's an accident on top, so we're just trying to get injured people out as quick as possible.
Okay.
You can hike, you can bike, you can walk, do whatever you want to do.
So as far as we can go?
With the vehicle,
Okay.
yeah, just for like another hour, 45 minutes.
How long does it take to drive to the very top?
Just to get up to the top, the farthest you can go this way is to the big building that you can't see because it's behind the
The
tree.
water
Yeah.
treatment place?
It's actually a power plant, but yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And now it takes, I don't know, generally 30, 35, 40 minutes.
Is it scary?
Guess
It
that
will
depends on
it
how
will be scary for us.
It'll be scary. It'll be scary for them, not me.
Oh, please. If there's a freaking accident, we're not going. That could be us. That's going to be us. I'm not going. I'm gonna have panic attack. I'm not going. I'm not going, bro. Troy, we can't do this. I am not going. I'm not going.
Okay, we're not. So the park ranger said that a car rolled and they had one, had a helicopter, had to take one, what do you call it?
Person?
Yeah, one person. And then they had some other people
That'd be great.
taken down in some passenger cars. So that's all we know.
I'm never going
You can see those cars right there.
Oh my gosh.
No, thank you. I think we'll just stay down here. There's no way. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Have to go in. Yeah.
Put your arm through here.
No, that. I hate the buckle. There's a kid in there.
You got it?
Yeah.
Help me on this side.
I feel like it's gonna fall out. Like,
No,
fall
it's
back
fine.
in.
We're fine. We're fine.
You good, buddy?
Yeah.
Lennon, are you comfortable back there?
Yeah.
You are?
Let's see your back.
Okay. I don't know if I can go down there.
Can I?
Do you want to get off now? We just put you in this thing.
Do it too. Mama.
Oh, that's okay.
Catching anything? Oh. That's no good. We're gonna go across this other bridge over here.
That could be like me. That could be like me. I've never let
Yeah,
go.
yeah. What do you think about it, Lenny Lou?
Good.
Hey,
That's
are you having fun back there?
Yeah.
Hey, look, you see right up there? Those are two little bitty patches of snow. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Looks like a scene out of The Bachelor. I think we ruined that guy's moment.
I don't even think they noticed us. I really don't.